Hello and welcome to another Facts and Dimensions Spotlight Dataset. In this one we're doing cancelled elective operations. Very useful data, as I'm sure you can imagine. Let's have a quick look what we've got. So we've got data going all the way back to 1996. So one of the few datasets that go back to pre-2000, which is good. 32,000 rows spread over 3 tables, and these are the tables: operations by health authority, by provider, and supporting facilities. So, cancel elective ops by health authority, or today would be STP and then ICB and whatever the current makeup of the NHS is when you watch this video. Those are the metrics. So that's that. Then you've got by provider. There's the metrics all across the top, and then you've got supporting facilities numbers, number of operating theatres, day case only, pathology, radiology, and so on. That's it really. Thanks.